Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode problem number 342, power of 4. So it is a really simple problem to solve with which will be given an integer n and we'll have to return true if it is a power of 4, otherwise we'll have to return simply false. And as you can see in the examples as well, if when we got n equals to 16, which basically means that if you interpret it, it's a square of 4, right? 4 square is 16, so that's why we return true. Similarly, for n equals to 5, it is not a power of 4, so we return false. And of course, anything raised to 4 raised to power 0 is basically 1, so that's why we got true over here as well. So what we're going to do and how we're going to solve this problem. So what we'll be doing is we'll be using a log based approach to solve this problem, in which we'll be using this property in which when we take so we'll be using this property where if the base and the value of the log is same, then we get 1 as the answer. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, and the steps will be what we will do is we'll check if our n is greater than 0, and so this is a boolean and. Okay, this is a boolean and we'll see if log of n with base 4 percentile 1 is 0. So basically we get 1 as the answer for this log calculation. Okay, if both these conditions are true, then we'll say okay, yeah, the solution is true, otherwise we'll simply return false. Okay, moving to the code part of it, it's a single line code where you can exactly see what we discussed in the explanation, where we are checking if our n is greater than 0, and it's a boolean and, as I said, log of n with base 4. And what we are doing over here is we are just taking modulus of it. So we are basically checking the remainder when divided by 1. If it is 0, then we can say that the uh, the number which you received was a power of 4. Let's check out the test cases quick. And as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation again. um, it is taking some time. Yeah, so if you see, the solution got accepted. And yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.